Question 11 says that a stone is launched vertically upwards and the presence of the gravitational field of the Earth, which is gravity equals negative 10 meters per second squared, is present, and the initial speed is 20 meters per second. They want to know after 3 seconds what will be the speed of the stone and in what direction is it moving. So in 3 seconds, so we want to find the velocity final. We know that t will be 3 seconds, our acceleration will be 20, and our acceleration will be the gravity, and our initial velocity will be 20. So in order to find the final velocity at 3 seconds, we will plug in these variables, and it would look something like this: 20 plus negative 10 times 3. And if we solve, we know that we will get negative 10, and it is coming downwards because of the negative sign. And that is the answer to number 11.